Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to reset a password on Royal Bank of Canada Online Banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Royal Bank of Canada. Click on this first website over here. Now, click on the Sign In button over here. Now, simply enter a username and click on Next. After this, we need to enter our password. If you have forgotten the password, what we can do is click on the Recover Your Password option, which we'll get in the next step. Afterwards, we'll get a verification code in our email or phone number. After this, we can finally reset the password. And if you have forgotten your username, simply click on Recover Your Username over here. Now, we need to enter our client card number and email address. After this, we'll get a code in our email. After this, we can reset our username. So, that is all we can do to reset our password or the username in Royal Bank of Canada Online Banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.